what is the biggest challenges you're facing with your current tech? And what is one place you see as a leaking point where you're leaking like funds on table?
I think we need the answer to this is, something that every founder is, struggling with right now at different stages of life. What tech at what scale makes sense? That's an answer that you need to figure out every couple of months or couple of quarters for yourself. Specifically at a startup level, as you scale, how much tech do you want to use? Which is the problem that you would want to address first? Is it the top funnel? Is it the mid funnel leakage? Or is it the bottom funnel leakage that you would want to address first? At least figure out what is the scale that you can reach when there is no friction at all, and see how many consumers are actually buying your product, or what is the basic lowest amount of CAC that you would get. That becomes a very, very challenging aspect. Like for example, if I don't have an OTP validation before taking orders and I get say 1,000 orders a day, I may be only delivering 200 out of that because of rejections or non-verification on recall, or people just buying it because it was very easy to kind of place an order, versus me doing an OTP verification and only getting 100 orders out of which 80 are getting delivered. So you are constantly trying to figure out a balance between volume, the cost to serve that volume, or do you reduce your scale and only service that volume which is profitable. So you keep on experimenting and you keep on trying to figure out what works, what does not work.